Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to actually start using Trello for beginners in 2023. Trello is a powerful task management tool that can help you stay organized and productive. In this video, I will show you the basic of getting started with Trello, including creating boards, lists, and cards, and how to use them to manage your tasks and projects. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or just looking for a better way to manage your time or your workload, this tutorial is for you. So without any further talking, let's just dive in. The first thing guys that I will need you to do is simply launch your browser. After that, go here to the URL section and search for Trello as you can see here. Now click on the first link that will appear for you. So for me, I'm just going to click here so I can have the English page. Here it is. And simply go to this button over here and click on sign up. It's free. Now let's wait until they take us to the next page where you can create your account. So I'm going to continue with Google. Here we go. And now I have created my own account. So this is how the dashboard shall be showed for you when you first create the account. Now, how we can start like making our time organized or our workflow organized. So I'm going to do multiple examples and you will follow me step by step. First thing to do, which is click here to create a new board. After that, go here and select a design for the board to be something like beautiful. You can add an image as you can see, and you can even make it just a color. So I'm going to keep it, for example, in this way. I'm going to keep it that way. I'm going to add a title. For example, study. Let's make it study. And here, visibility workspace. I'm going to make it workspace. I'm going to keep it private. So the difference between those is the private will only appear for you, and the workspace will only appear for all the members of the space that you work with. And here the public, it will be available for everyone in the internet to see and will not be able to edit it, of course. It's just gonna be able to see it. For us now, I'm just going to keep it that way and I'm going to make it actually private and then click on create. Now this is our first page. So as you can see, you'll have here add list. So from here you can add a list. Let's for example, add a list that's being for example to-do list. And here I'm going to do something like finished. And here revise. Now let's remove this. And now normally when you do something, you will have to revise it and then finish. So if you want to like for example move something, you just have to click on it and hold it, then drag it, as you can see. Now each list has to have some cards. The cards are the stuff that you will need to do in order to like in your work. For example, my to-do list is for example to do my exam preparation, read the book, and for example, I don't know, train, something like that. But let's try to add here an example. So add to this card, I'm going to do study 2 hours for math. Here, study 3 hours for example, IE or let's make biology. So bio, and here prepare for history exam. So something like that. Now, as you can see, these are the things that I have to do. Here we can edit the card, change cover, so you can even make it, for example, something like that. So you can give it a title even if you'd like, edit the date, have a date, and so go on. So you can see the date here, add it, and etc. Now, if you finish with that, you can just click on it, and here you will be able to see more details. For example, you can add a description into it. You can here see the other members' comments on this to-do list or in this card to be specific. Here you can change the date and the notification, what you get notification for updates in this card. You can see this here. Here you can see the members that can be able to see this card and edit it. Here you can see the checklist. You can add checklists and, for example, do 3 exercises. Read, for example, the notebook, and for example, do some exams or something like that. So this is like 3 checklists that I have to do in order to finish this card. So now, after I finish with that, I'm going to click on cancel here. You can add the button. So here, for example, move card to. This will be able to move the card to another place. So here it is, move card to, finished, for example, or yeah, finished. And here, study to the list, finish. So move the card to, and here, add button. Now, as you can see here, if I click on this, it will take the card from here into here. So that means that I'm finished with studying math. This is really good, guys. So every day you go back here and you see this, and you find yourself finishing everything in your day, you're finishing your task, everything is organizedly put in here. And trust me, when you see all of these things in the finish list over here, you will be so proud of yourself, and your day will be so good and organized, and everything will be looking so good. Now, when we talked about all of this, let's talk about some other actions that you can actually do with this. So let's click here. There is some other automation from move to card, which I showed you before. Here you can copy card to. So instead of moving it, it will just be copied to the next place. Here you can add a label, join card, set due date or start date, make market due date, and remove. So these are the things that you can add, or you can just create a custom button which will do whatever you'd like. Now for me, I'm just going to close this. Here guys, you can find here the table and the calendar. These two will help you a lot to actually make like board for each day. So instead of like making one board, and here you when you finish you must have prepared for tomorrow, so you have to create new cards, etc, etc. You can just go here to table or calendar, and from here you just have to click on each day and make its own board. So that will help you a lot. So you can just make, for example, a time. So you will be having like 1 hour, 3 hour, like, and then you will go to Trello, go to boards, and create each day of the month its own board. Like that, you will not be aware of tomorrow board. So you have it in mind that you already created it. So there is no need to actually go ahead, and when you finish your work you will be so tired of studying, etc, in my case, and then you will have to go to the next day, prepare the board, and in that place you will have everything made for you and everything is correctly done. Of course, the board is not like free for always. You will have to get a free trial or pay for it to get it. So you have 2 options. You can do whatever you like. And the same thing goes for table. So these are the most information that I will need you to know about it. Here you can see the workspace that you have. Here the recent workplaces that you have opened. The start one, which are the favorites. And here the templates. So here you can just open a template of Trello templates. That will be like the top template that I are using. And from there you can design on it and do whatever you'd like from there. Of course, Trello has like a premium version of it. If you'd like to get it, you can buy it. It has like so much features. Like for example, they will give you more workspace for you. In my case, I will only have 10 workplaces. As you can see, I have 3 now, and here 7 remaining. So if I click on upgrade, you will find here a limited board, advanced checklist, admin security features, unlimited automations, and much more. So these are the plans, and if you click here you will be able to see other plans from standard and premium. So these are everything about this, and yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I hope I showed you everything about Trello. I hope I didn't miss any points of it, and I thank you guys for watching. If you had any problem or question about it, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer you, and see you guys in the next video.